Toot Up Kitchen, boy. I'm hungry.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Toot Up Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some crab fried rice. So for this recipe, we're going to start off with either some lump crab meat or either some claw meat, and go ahead and season it up with some salt and a little bit of black pepper. Also, I like to use some Cajun seasoning. You can even use some cayenne pepper if you have some. Also, we're going to use some Old Bay or any sort of seafood seasoning, really. Also, we're going to use some crushed red chili flakes. And lastly, we're going to use some fresh minced garlic. Let's start off our wok and get it nice and hot. You can use any sort of pan, but woks just make fried rice so much easier. I'm using vegetable oil, and I'm just going ahead and start off some diced onions. I'm also using some bell peppers. You don't have to use red and yellow. You can use any sort of bell peppers you have, but I just happen to have some red and yellow on hand. Alright, go ahead and season that up with some salt and pepper. Get ready to add our crab meat in there. This is why I like to use a wok, because it's usually just big enough to hold everything. You don't have to put egg in your fried rice, but I just personally like egg in mine. Alright, set that aside. We're going to start our sauce for our fried rice. We're going to use a tablespoon of soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of Hoisin sauce. Just like to mix that up a little bit. Alrighty, we're gonna add that in the middle, the same way we did with like our eggs. At this stage, if you like, you could add some more soy sauce, but I'm just going to add some green onions. And that's pretty much it.